Are you tired of waiting for ages for the ice cubes or waiting for your beverages to cool down? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing Godrej 180-liter 4-star turbo cooling refrigerator equipped with advanced turbo cooling technology. With this refrigerator, you can enjoy up to 10% faster ice making and up to 24% faster bottle cooling. Let's dive into the amazing features of this refrigerator. Looking for the perfect refrigerator for your small family? With a capacity of 180 liters, this refrigerator provides ample storage space for all your essentials. It's also highly energy efficient with a 4-star rating savings on energy consumption while keeping your food fresh and cool. This Godrej refrigerator comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty on the product, ensuring peace of mind. Additionally, the compressor is backed by a 10-year warranty, providing long-term protection for your investment. This refrigerator comes with a very large freezer for its segment. With a freezer capacity of over 16 liters, you'll have ample space to store a wide variety of ice creams, frozen foods, and more. You will be delighted to know that this fridge comes with an extra spacious vegetable tray in its segment. With a storage space of over 16 liters, you can store a wide variety of vegetables and keep them fresh for longer, ensuring that your vegetables stay fresh. This refrigerator comes with extra bottle space in its segments, featuring a door bottle space of 13.5 liters. This refrigerator comes with toughened glass shelves capable of holding weight of up to 150 kgs. Designed to withstand heavy load, it also is an extra tall refrigerator for its segment. Let's talk about some of the other impressive features of this refrigerator. First, it comes with a thick PUF insulation, which ensures excellent cooling retention, allowing your food to stay fresh and cool for a longer duration, even during power cuts. Another great feature is its low starting voltage capacity. With the ability to operate at low starting voltage of just 140 volts, this refrigerator ensures uninterrupted cooling performance even in areas with unstable electricity supply. This refrigerator is eco-friendly with R600A refrigerant, offering efficient cooling while minimizing ozone depletion and global warming impact. Invest in the Godrej 180-liter turbo cooling refrigerator today and enjoy delightful cooling experience every day. The Godrej 180-liter turbo cooling refrigerator is available in both base drawer and non-base drawer variant.